Please hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon for the future notification to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Thank you so much for your love. Hello friends, welcome back to Amazing Women's World. In this video I've come up to show you making of this beautiful and an extraordinary looking bridal blouse designing using the normal stitching needle. The golden beads work with heavy sleeves designing really gives the rich glorious look. We can try this type of designing on already stitched blouses or unstitched blouses also. Following these instructions, mark the checks boxes of 1 by 1 inch like this on the sleeves, and on that I'd be applying the glue lines like this. This is to stick the chain bore lace. Firstly, horizontal lines has to be stick with the chain bore lace, then the vertical lines, applying the glue lines like this. This is we have to cut in very small size and approximately of 1 inch, and then applying the glue we have to stick it. This is the simple way we can design it. If you want to try this on already stitched blouses, remove the side stitches and fix the small size of an embroidering hoop and follow these instructions. Now that the border work which is outlining is already done, now we will start filling in between these with the golden beads work. For that I'll be using here sugar beads of gold color, very small size, and 1 mm gold metallic beads. Both I'll be inserting at a time and giving the stitch. For the stitch I'll be using cotton silk thread and 9 number hemming needle. I'm also using 2 mm semicircle golden beads. This is how it looks. This I would be stitching in the center. All around this I would be stitching the gold sugar beads work, which I would be inserting of nearly 12 to 13 beads at a time. These materials are easily available in the fancy stores, tailoring material shops. Also the links provided in the description box. If you want, kindly check it. Like this, insert all at a time and give couple of invisible stitches on it so that it will be in place. Though this type of designing patterns will really looks heavy, it costs too much if you want this design to be done outside, but these designs, believe it or not, very simple and easy to do if you know how to do this. Once watching this video, you don't assume that we cannot try at home. If you once watch it clearly and carefully, we can easily try, spending on only the materials. Also a little time we have to spend it. Now I'll be leaving little gap in between, and I'm also stitching 1 mm golden bead here. In between this gap I'd be working with the French knot. For that I'd be using red color anchor thread. This is of 6 strands here I'd be using, and winding it at a time and insert back in the same hole. This is how we have to create the French knot, and I'm almost done with this designing and it's completely dried now. The chain bore lace, we have to give an invisible stitches on it like this. Leaving 2 or 3 chain bore laces, we have to give an invisible stitch on it. Doing like this, it will stay for long run even after the frequent washes. Also use the quality product materials because these will stay for long run, and if you want this design to be stay for long run, we need to follow some instructions. That means the washing preferable is the light wash or the dry wash. Avoid the scrubbing or wet washing because it may ruin out the gold color and may fade easily. This is how on all the sides of the checks boxes we have to give an invisible stitches. The same way the filling has to be done on the complete sleeve pattern, and once the sleeve pattern is done, this is how it looks. Really friends, these designs are so expensive, but we can also try easily at home, isn't it? I hope sharing of this idea is useful to you. If you really enjoyed watching this video, please hit the like icon to support my efforts. Also do share this video in your community or circles, may be useful to others. Thank you so much for watching friends. Meet you all with another interesting video. Subscribe to Amazing Women's World channel. Stay tuned to watch more.